We all know that the holidays can be hectic, and it's very easy for landlords to overlook very costly details when it comes to their rentals. Hi, I'm Josh with Magnum Property Management, and here's the top 5 mistakes to avoid this season. Ignoring maintenance requests. Small issues such as leaks, running toilets, faulty outlets, they can all turn into very expensive emergencies during the colder months if left unresolved. Skipping the mid-year inspections. This is the best time to verify that the home is being properly maintained, and you'll catch potential problems early and protect your rental before all this winter weather hits. Just like every other aspect of your tenant, communication is crucial. Tenants need to clarify on holiday hours, maintenance response times, vendor schedules. Lack of this type of communication leads to frustration and very preventable disputes. Forgetting very basic things like checking your HVAC filters. Simple process, but dirty or clogged filters, they can cause strain on the heating system. They can worsen the air quality, and they can increase the risk of costly breakdowns, especially in the coldest part of the year. And lastly, not preparing the vacant units. The holidays tend to slow the tenant activity, so turning and listing your vacant rentals quickly, it's very crucial to avoid extended downtime going into the new year. Pricing is crucial here. Stay proactive and avoid the headaches of the holiday season. For expert management and year-round support, visit us at magnumpropertymgt.com.